comes, here it comes. Just wait. Now. There you go. Good shot. Jesus Christ. Get him. Good shot, dude. Good shooting.
Yeah, we just shot a triple with Tony's new Hatsan high-powered BB gun.
Yep.
It's like
First coons with the air rifle. Just got a triple there.
Wasn't too bad. It's accurate.
Yep, and it's somewhat quiet.
Well, one thing we've noticed calling in the last couple weeks, we've had this warmer weather. Had a lot of snow in some areas. Not as much here because we didn't get as much snow. But where there's a lot of snow and it gets warm, that sun, or there's all that moisture in the air, it creates a lot of fog. That sun can't fight through it. And it's just, the groves are damp, it's damp air, and the coons just haven't been responding in it. We did some public ground. What was that, east?
Yeah,
northeast, about an hour and a half, and there was fog everywhere and it was damp. And we made probably 6-7 really good stands on good trees. There was trails, and we didn't even see a coon. We come back here to our home area, sun's out, it's about 43 degrees. We made one stand, 3 coon came out. Got 1 boar and 2 sows. We shot them with the Hatsan air gun, 25 caliber, 43 grain bullet. It did a pretty good job, killed all 3 of them. It doesn't quite have the knockdown the 22 mag does, obviously, but it did pretty good.
Yeah, I was pretty unfamiliar with this Hatsan air rifle. We had a heck of a time getting her all set up and charged up, but we figured it out thanks to YouTube and some other things. But it's got this cylinder type clip or magazine, I don't even know what you'd call it, but it just feeds in there like that. Well, and then you'll see, you close this and that's like goes in the center. It's pretty neat. I was skeptical at first, but I'm pretty happy with it. Just goes in, then you lock it in. Then this is like the bolt to load the rifles. There's this thing like this, so now this thing's good to go. You can see we still got about 150 I don't know, bar, so whatever PSI that is. We'll shoot one more time here. It's got a pellet gun style safety. Gammo had these safeties forever. When it's back, you're on safe. Forwards fire. It's pretty nice. It is heavy, but it is balanced pretty nice, so it's not that bad to shoulder up because a lot of the weight's back here.
Good shot.
I'll leave it like that.
Very accurate.